Hi, my name is Sam and it's my first English YouTube video. In this channel, I'm gonna talk about smart home technology and devices. If you're into tech stuff and smart home technology, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's talk about the smart home first. Why a smart home? The answer is so simple. It makes our life easier and more convenient. Imagine you are tired on your way home from work or school. You ask your vacuum cleaner to clean the house before you arrive. The door opens automatically. In dawn, lights turn on by themselves. Or you can just ask your Google Assistant or Alexa to play your favorite show on living room TV. Or just playing your Spotify playlist. These are just a simple example of a smart home. You can do whatever you want in your smart home. The range of smart home devices is unlimited. Let's take a look into my smart home. Since I was a kid, I always afraid of losing my keys. When I moved to another country, even thinking about losing my keys freaked me out. But with smart home, you can easily open your door. As you can see, I open my door without using keys. There we go. If you need to, you can even open your door for your guests while you are not in home. What about lighting? Who doesn't like synchronizing music with their lights in their house? Just enjoy it! Have you ever asked someone their opinion about your look and style? Well, I had. I live alone, so I had to make a video call to my friends to ask them about my look for a business meeting, job interview, or a date, With Echo Look, I can ask Alexa about my everyday look, not just for parties and business meetings. Nice, huh? Let's take a look. Alexa, how do I look?
One moment while I think about that.
The process is easy. You just stand there.
But you can do better. Elevate your business casual look by wearing a pair of black monk strap dress shoes instead.
Yeah, cool. You just stand there and ask Alexa, how do I look? That's it. That's simple. When you want to see your own photos, you can just ask Google Home, Google Assistant, to show your photos on living room TV or any devices with a screen and Chromecast enabled. Hey Google, show photos of me on Stripper. Yeah, my TV name is Stripper.
Showing photos of you on Stripper.
As you can see, it shows my photos on living room TV. Or even you can ask for showing your favorite TV show. Hey Google, play Stranger Things from Netflix.
Alright, Stranger Things from Netflix. Playing on Stripper.
There we go. It will start Netflix and it will play Stranger Things where I left. There we go. As I mentioned before, you can ask your virtual assistant to send a command to your vacuum cleaner to clean the house. Since I made a mess in the house while making this video, let's clean the house. Hey Google, ask Jarvis to clean the house. I'm not gonna do it.
Sure, starting Jarvis.
As you watched, these things were just the top of the iceberg. As I mentioned before, the range of smart home devices are unlimited. You can even find a button pusher for your coffee machine so you can make coffee while you are still in bed. In upcoming videos, I'm gonna talk about each devices that I have in my smart home. And I will show you how to use them and I will show you some tips and tricks. You are still here. Great. If you enjoyed this video, we're all familiar with the like button. And if you are into these kind of videos, please don't forget hit the subscribe button from here. And last but not least, if you have any question, you can write on me on the comment section of this video, or you can even DM me on Instagram. I will do my best to answer them all. Until next video, stay safe, stay home.